Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Look at this, guys. This is a simple cabbage recipe. In 20 minutes, breakfast, lunch or dinner is served. We're going to talk a little bit about cabbage and its health benefits, but first, these are the other ingredients that we're going to need for this recipe. We need half of a large cabbage or a small one. We need carrots, tomato, bell peppers, celery, onion. To know if your okras are soft, just break on the tip of it. If it breaks easily, well, you're gonna have soft okra. Soft okra. Soft. Yeah, man. We're gonna chop all of these nice fresh okras. We need pepper and we need garlic. We also need some thyme. I'm gonna hold off on this scotch bonnet for now because the jalapenos, I tasted it and it's really hot. So I'm gonna hold off on this one. Come, let's cook these. The pot is hot, so I'm adding some olive oil. Also, I have some turmeric that I'm gonna add. A lemon, garlic, oregano rub. The first two ingredients I'm adding here is the carrot and the okra. They're the toughest of all the ingredients. We're gonna saute them for about 2 minutes and then they'll become tender, and we're adding some thyme to this. The longer you cook thyme is the more fragrant it will get. So the thyme and the butter and all that goodness that we add in there, the turmeric, all of that is gonna be sauteed in the okra and the carrots. It's gonna be so delicious. You should smell this aroma already, guys. The thing smells good. Eat more cabbage. Miss Effie, eat more cabbage. If you have high cholesterol, high blood pressure, eat more cabbage. Guys, eat more cabbage. It will help the inflammation. It will improve digestion. It is packed of vitamin C, vitamin K, and guys, it will keep your heart healthy. I said to eat more cabbage. Yes, so those are some of the benefits of eating cabbage. I try to put it in a song. You know what I'm saying? Turn your stove on low, cover your veggies, and let it steam for 25 minutes. After 20 minutes of steaming, the cabbage is ready. So guys, adding cabbage to our diet is very beneficial. It lowers cholesterol and blood pressure. It's packed with vitamin C and vitamin K. And if we have any form of inflammation, it will keep it in check. And as I said, it will keep our heart healthy. And this is where I add the salt after giving it a taste. Oh my god, yum. This is perfect, guys. This is so tasty. Guys, this recipe is very simple to make, and these are basic vegetables that we may find in our refrigerator. We can just put them together and create this delicious recipe. You'll have something delicious and nutritious for even breakfast, lunch or dinner. So it's all plant-based today. I have potatoes, sweet and Yukon gold potatoes, and some corn. And guys, this is what I'll be having with my cabbage. Can you see the deliciousness? Can you taste it? I sure can. So guys, that's it for Sauté Suggest today. If this video was of any help to you, please remember to give me a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends. You never know, they might need a recipe idea. And as I said, this cabbage recipe is very versatile. If you're new to Sauté Suggest, remember to subscribe, ring the bell so you won't miss out on any of these recipes. Until then, walk good. Peace.